In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up user profiles in Glide. First, create a spreadsheet with all the users you want to give access to and save it in Google Drive. For example, I have a spreadsheet containing information about all my employees for whom I want to create profiles. Once you have your spreadsheet ready, head over to your Glide app, click on Data at the top of your screen. Then click the plus icon from the left-hand side table menu and select Google Sheets. After that, select your spreadsheet and click Select. Your sheet will now appear in Glide with all the users' information populated. Next, go to the Layout section and click on User Profile from the left-hand side menu. On the right-hand side, under the Source drop-down, select the new sheet you added containing all the users' information. You can also customize this page if you want. For example, I separated the title from the left-hand side menu and chose to view this page as one of my employees. You can select the title, adjust styles, and choose how the image should appear. You can also add a Fields component from the left-hand side and continue adding items from the right-hand side until all information about the employee is displayed. Employees can view their profile by clicking the menu icon at the top left and selecting their profile name. Finally, click on Settings at the upper right-hand side of your screen and go to Access. Under the Users section, select the Users table and make sure it is the correct one. Scroll down and ensure that the Pin Emails from Glide option is enabled. This allows users to receive a PIN email to confirm their identity. You can also set access to private or public depending on your requirements, and this is how you can set up user profiles in Glide.